Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam series. This is your host, Aapka consultant, bringing you episode 24 on the ongoing practice set that we are solving as part of this series. So, those of you who have not watched earlier 23 episodes, they are available on the playlist, which the link is popped up right here. You can check out the playlist, watch all the previous 23 episodes which I have covered on the topics that are relevant to this exams. So please go through and watch all of those videos. So today's topic is manage and secure Power BI assets in Power BI desktop. So that being said, let's jump and see question number 24. So the question says you are preparing a Power BI data set for integration with Microsoft Excel as an organizational data type. The dataset includes a table designated department metrics with columns for budget code, number of employees, department ID, and department name. How should you configure the table's attributes to effectively utilize it as an organizational data type in Excel? So the answer area that you have to select the options are what will you select the row label. You have to choose between budget code, number of employees, department ID, department name. And what will you select in key column? Choose between budget code, number of employees, department ID, and department name. And is feature table available? You have to select between yes and no. So the options for this question are option A, wherein first option is department name, second option department ID, third option yes. Option B, first option department ID, second option department name, third option yes. Option C, first option department ID, second option department name, third option no. Option D is first option number of employees, second option budget code, third option no. So out of these four options, you have to select in the order what is being asked in the answer area, right? So you can take your time. I'm gonna pause the video here for 10 seconds. So your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So basically it's option A where you have to select row label as department name and key column as department ID, because that from the help of department ID you can make relationship between among tables, right? And third option is you have to be select the feature table. So yeah, this option is correct. Let's look at the overall explanation. So basically row level is something that which is easily recognizable and meaningful to the users, hence department name is selected as row label. The key column is obviously department ID because it is a unique identifier in each department. And with the help of this key column, you can connect to various departments, right? Because this is unique, and you can connect many tables. Its feature table is obviously something that it is more discoverable to the users within the organization. This helps promoting the visibility and accessibility of tables. So that is how these options are selected. You can pause this video, grasp this information available on this slide so that you are preparing on this topic good. So yeah, that covers the explanation part. And again, on the resources bit, uh, I don't have the Microsoft Learn article here on this topic, but as again, I am leveraging this course from Udemy titled Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, specifically for PL300 certification exam. And you can check out Manage and Secure Power BI Assets on Microsoft Learn website specifically for this topic. And I don't have any Power BI report handy for this topic, but I will definitely try to cover on the upcoming videos, whether in this playlist or as a standalone video. So yeah, that covers today's question. Hope you like the content, and yes, look forward to see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.